what Ty always told me. He said, you can go to a business masterminds or you can host them. But if you do both, your network will expand quicker than ever before. And I said, okay. So he was saying, have your own mastermind, have your own event. And it was late 2017, right? I think it was November. Me and my buddy, we had a small social media following, but we knew a bunch of YouTubers. We're like, hey, let's just have a networking event in San Diego. His buddy my buddy's grandfather had a place out there. And he said, yeah, we could use it. So we built this little sales funnel, had a couple big YouTubers come, and it was just a networking event. But long story short, we had about 150 people come to this event for free. And we're like, amazing, let's do another one in LA. And we had to get an Airbnb at 17. It wasn't the easiest task because we had to find the right person to talk to, right? But we ended up getting this Airbnb, did another event in LA, and this time it was like 250 people came. We had the founder of MySpace and all of these just world-class entrepreneurs showing up just from the network that we have had, and people invited people. And it was at that moment where I was like, got it. Like, I want to continue to have events, because within that 2-month period of having back-to-back events, my network, kind of a moment. The people that I met it was insane to see the magnitude of people that I could bring into my life. But that's where I met my business partner, John Malat, who I was managing his social media. And then we partnered up on Build Your Empire early 2018. And that's when everything that I'm doing now started to really piece together.
And just so my audience knows, how many followers do you have on Instagram?
As of right now, it's a little over 220,000 personally.
There you go. I just wanted to make sure that they understood the magnitude of this.